Hey there, everyone. It's been a hot minute, let me tell you. So there has been so much that has gone on in my world, and I honestly just lost my mojo for crafting, and I felt like I needed to take a break. So just a really quick update. Thank you everyone for coming back. Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. So let me tell you a little bit, just a smidgen, just so you know where I'm coming from. So we've had a lot of things go on within our family, and they've all been so dark, and you know, there's just been so much that's been going on that I kind of just didn't want to craft anymore. Everything was, you know, going south, so to speak, and I was just tired. I just needed to take a break, and so anyway, I took a break. During the break, I actually got my craft room back. I would show it, but I'm just here in the process of moving everything back in, and it doesn't look very pretty right now. Not that it'll look pretty afterwards, but I still have stuff everywhere, and I need to just get things organized and functional. Because I moved almost everything in here, but I've already lost a couple of things. I don't know where I put them, and anyway. So I really wanted to show you a little something that I made. The tape dispenser. This is I followed a tutorial with Lisa at Happy Crafter, and they are so easy and quick to make, guys. I'm gonna leave her video in the description box. So super easy to follow. So this was the first one that I made. So I made this little box. It is so quick to make, guys. It takes longer to decorate your box than it does to actually make it. So here is the box that I made following Lisa's tutorial. So super cool. So it's got a Velcro closure, and it holds the square foam tape from Dollar Tree. Perfect. I mean, she got it down to a perfect size. Fits right in there, closed with a Velcro closure. And there you go. When you start using your tape, you know, it will come out through this end, and I'll show you on the other one. It'll come out through this end. Let me show you the tape that it does use. So this box is made for this tape right here. And you know, almost all of us, I guess, use this tape. This is such a great way to put it, because you know, when you put it away, it kind of unravels, and you know, it becomes a mess. Well, at least it does for me. So here is the tape dispenser box, and I thought this was so. She said she got her inspiration from someone else, although she made hers a little bit easier. And I did see the video on, I honestly don't remember who made the original one. I saw the video, and I just simply loved hers because she changed her measurements. So this was the first one that I made. And then the second one that I made was this one right here. You guys know that this is right up my alley as far as style and colors. I do like the softer pinks, but I was quite happy to use this mirrored cardstock from Michaels. This is an applique I got from Sherry Jones. She was doing a giveaway, I believe, last year, and this lace right here as well. This bling right here is, you know, something I had in my stash I got from my BFF, and there is the box. Super easy, and like I said, it took me longer to decorate the box than it did, and this is simple, you know, than it did to make it. So again, this one has, I put 2 Velcro closures on this one, 2 pink ones, and there is my tape. And once you get the tape started, I did something, I just altered the way she made it just by a little bit. I just added one little thing on mine. So on mine, at the side where it dispenses, I added a little tab. This is 1 inch across because this backing on the tape is 1 inch across. And I threaded the backing through this one little tab. And then every time, you know, I need a piece, I just have to pull the paper down and it'll keep it, you know, from unraveling and whatnot. So every time I pull it down, yellow piece out. And I love that. You know, her design is perfect. All I did was add that one little tab and there we go. Perfect. Guys, I encourage you to go watch Lisa's video. It's so super easy. She, you know, it's really super easy to make, and you can include these in your swaps, which is, I think, awesome. Include them in your swaps, put, you know, make them for your own room and whatnot. And again, they are for the foam mounting tape from Dollar Tree. Great addition to the craft room. All right, guys, thank you again for stopping by. And my husband finally set up the camera to where I can make videos. So that is what I will be doing. I will be making more videos. It'll take me a minute to get back up to speed, but at least I can video something and at least show you what I'm up to. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot, guys.